birthday.
Hi, Alicia!
Birthday.
Happy birthday! May message daw para sa'yo. Happy birthday, Alicia. We know you're a strong girl. God is always with you. Stay strong. We love you all. We miss you. Bye-bye!
Hi, happy 18th birthday.
Hello, happy birthday daw. 18? Oo, nabasa ko sa Time Magazine yung police brutality sa UC Davis. I hope you were not part of it, but it's okay to express your protest in a peaceful manner. Mali yung mga pulis doon.
Ganun ba?
Mali yung mga pulis.
Hindi ko nabalitaan.
No, it was all over the police brutality.
No.
Pepper spraying the students. So, you may join, but make sure that you stand firm on your decisions.
Sabi mo si Nigel sa kasi Lara.
By the way, Nigel and Lara will send their individual greetings directly to your papa. Nigel kasi may PE midterms exams. Kanina ginawa. Si Lara naman is on tawag dito, garage sale ng mga klase niya, sumusosyo siya.
Okay.
Pero they know, they will send their individual greetings directly.
Enjoy your birthday and take care.
Yes, take it easy.
Okay.
Happy birthday, Alicia!
Happy birthday, Mama Alicia!
Message!
Take to ko naman, diba?
Take two.
Happy birthday, Mama Alicia! Sana happy ka sa college life mo kahit separate ka sa parents mo. And always remember na we're here for you lagi.
Okay, magsalita ka.
Thank you for keeping in touch with us kahit sa Facebook lang. Yes. Hindi ko na mag-boyfriend.
Bakit?
Kasi wala pa daw siya. Kailangan daw mauna si Apek magka-boyfriend. Hope to see you soon.
Okay.
Alicia, happy birthday. Tita Eden tsaka Tito Nestor. If in case gusto kami makilala ng mga kaibigan mo, ng mga bisita mo. My message, what else can I say? Magtalino ka namang bata. I'm sure you know what's right and what is wrong. Ang hiling ko lang sa'yo, sana be more loving to your mother dahil sa kanyang situation. Tapos, Edmund, sa daddy mo, more support. Alam ko, mabait kang bata. And hindi kayo pababait ng Lord. Kasi, mababait na tao daw, maraming trials. Pero, if you can go on and with your faith and trust in God, you can go on with your life successfully. Happy birthday and regards. And good luck to your new phase in life. Bye.
Happy birthday, Alicia.
Happy birthday din daw. Galing kay Pongsi. Pongsi!
Show mo your face, baby.
Show your face.
Unlovable tao.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Alicia.
Alicia.
Bye-bye.
Birthday, Ate.
Oo, dali. Ano sabihin mo?
Happy birthday.
Lakasan mo.
Happy birthday!
Ito na si Daddy and Mommy. Mommy, happy birthday.
Salita ka.
Mag-greet kayo, Mommy. Sabi mo, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday na. Ikaw, Aman. Sige. Dali. Happy birthday.
Ano yan, Mama?